In this tutorial, we're going to learn about a fundamental data structure in JavaScript known as arrays. Arrays are a way to store multiple values in a single variable. Think of it like a list. Let's jump right into how we can declare an array. Here we have declared an empty array named myFirstArray. Notice the square brackets? This is how JavaScript knows it's an array. But this array is empty. Let's add some items to it. We have now added 3 string items to our array: apple, banana, and cherry. We are using the console.log function to print out the contents of our array. Let's see what the output looks like. As you can see, our 3 items are shown in the output, enclosed within square brackets, which is the standard representation of an array. Now, let's declare an array with numbers. Here we have declared an array named mySecondArray with 5 numbers. Again, we will print this array to the console. In the output, we see the 5 numbers we added to mySecondArray. So, we have seen how we can declare arrays with strings and numbers. Lastly, let's declare an array with different types of data. In JavaScript, an array can contain different types of data. In myThird we have a string, a number, a boolean, an array, and an object. Now let's print this array to the console. As you can see, JavaScript allows us to store different types of data in a single array. That's it for this tutorial. We've learned how to declare arrays in JavaScript, and how we can store different types of data in them. In our next video, we'll learn how to index and modify these arrays. Happy coding!